Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how I make easy chocolate trifle. It's fudgy pudding covered with a moist sponge cake, very easier and just as delicious. Top it with some crushed digestive crackers and some walnuts. So let's get into this video. Take a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons butter in it and melt it. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Mix nicely. And now adding 2 cups of milk. Stir this well. Goes in 3/4 cup of sugar. Give this a very good mix and cook for 5 minutes. Now add half cup cocoa powder. Blend it nicely, there should be no lumps in it. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Cook this for 2 to 4 minutes or until thickened. Whisk continuously. As soon as mixture thickens, remove from heat and whisk if desired. Line half a portion of the sponge cake in a serving bowl. You can also make individual portions of the trifles in bowls or dessert glasses. And now I'm going to pour sugar syrup on it. Spread chocolate custard on the cake and cover with the sponge cake. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts on it. Repeat the same process. Layer it with sponge cake. Pour sugar syrup on it. And chocolate custard. Top up with some chopped walnuts. And crushed digestive cracker. And now I'm going to refrigerate this for minimum 3 hours, but up to for 3 days. This easy chocolate trifle pudding is ready to serve. It is made in 10 minutes. The result is rich and delicious. If you have tried this recipe, come back and let me know how it was. Do tag us on our Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, happy cooking!